I went down into the woods and sat on a log, and uh, the out of the woods came a vixen, just walked out and sat down. And I was sat on a log, and she just came out and sat down in front of me, literally like sort of half a meter in front of me, looked up at me, cocked her head, fixed her eyes on me, put her head the other side, sat there for another minute, just looking at me. And I was like dead still because I was like, what is going on? Sort of, there was almost like a, all right, and then turned around and walked off. Just turned around and
Ooh.
walked back into the woods. It was one of those sort of, it was as though, and I've always, and this is one of those things where you think this is just, I don't know what that was, but it felt like a sort of, oh, you're the new people here, are you?
Yeah.
Just checking you out. Okay, you'll do fine, right? We
Mm.
can
The
we can move
music
on
that
now. Yeah.
popped in my head was like Spirit of the Land.